وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها، لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب. زايد أسسها واليوث وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. نحنا شعوب لها نفدى تراها، نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب.
نحنا شعوب لها
نفدى ثراها،
نبذل الغالي لها
دوم ونهب. تاريخ لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب.
زايد أسسها واليوث وراها
داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. وام الشيوخ اللي الله رعاها ربت قروم للوطن هم سند. لا تذكر الفزعات إلا طراها، مداتها بالعطايا هي تسد. وام الشيوخ اللي الله رعاها ربت قروم للوطن هم سند.
Welcome everyone with your program Pearls of Union, who's invite the most successful story and person in UAE. Today from Dubai City we are with Mr. Datab Rashad. He's Vice Presenter for Al Madina Pest Control Group. Welcome, sir.
Yeah, sir. Salam alaikum.
From the beginning, we are nice to meet you today with our program Pearls of Union.
Same to you, sir.
Please, you can introduce yourself.
Yeah. I am Datta Prasad Parab. I am the Vice President of this group, Al Madina Pest Control Group from UAE. I did my MSc in Agriculture from India, from one very reputed institution, that is Konkan Agricultural University, and came to Dubai about 10 years back.
Mr. Datab Rashad, from the beginning, of course, we have some challenge, we have some difficult when you open this company. Tell us about this challenge.
Yeah, initially when this company was open, actually I am the vice president and my owner Mr. Manoj Gaitonde, he started this business in 2007. Initially he was working with one company in UAE. So being a salaried person, definitely there was a problem of funds which was to be raised to start the business. And he had to go even up to ask for borrowing money from his friends initially when he started the business. After that, when the business was started, even he had to take credit from the suppliers, and he was not having money even to open the company for registration fees.
Good. Mr. Datab Rashad, now we want to talk about your services, more detail about your service, what you have under this company.
Yeah, we are basically in pest control, which includes control of pest in your houses, in your companies, in your offices, and even factories. Okay, we are giving our services like anti-termite treatment, bird control, fumigation, all this. And besides that, we are having in DIP we are having our facility to provide heat treatment for export wooden packaging material.
Good. Now, who support you to get this successful?
Yeah, I should say, as per my managing director Mr. Gaitonde, initially his friends, no doubt his friends provided him the funds. After that, he thanks to his better half, his wife, who is the driving force for his success. When the company was started, initially it was very hard time. he was starting his business, his day morning at 6 o'clock, and whole day he used to work and up to night 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, because basically that was a general pest control which was done for restaurants, hotels, and supermarkets. So basically this is the job which is done at late night. So he used to do that job, and the anti-termite work which has to be started at morning 7 o'clock. So he used to just get 2 or 3 hours sleep. He was whole day he used to work, but his wife never, his better half, she supported in such a way that she never complained, but she gave us support, full support. After that, what she did is she uploaded, she's very professional and very attractive website she prepared, and she entered the name of this company in different directories. And literally, I should say, after that, our phone started ringing like anything daily with inquiries. It started, and that was the start of our success. We never looked back, and as it is said many times, you must have heard that behind every successful man there is a woman always. So it has become it is true for in this case.
Good. Now, Mr. Datab Rashad, we want to talk about the future plan for Al Madina Pest Control Group.
Yeah, we have a very well defined future plan. First thing, we have decided to become a brand. Al Madina Pest Control has to become a brand in not only in UAE but also in GCC countries and India. For that reason, we have registered our company in different government, non-government and private institutions like ADNOC, MR, and we have all quality standards which are required like ISO. All these already we have acquired, and we are working on it. Then our second plan is we have decided to go for non-chemical treatment, completely organic treatment without using any pesticides, without using any insecticides, to become more eco-friendly, as well as it will be more healthy for the people, for the society. Third thing we have decided is we will be a leader in this industry by providing all our pest control services under one roof. So if any call comes for any kind of pest control service, we should be able to render that service to the society. So all these plans we are working on, and despite these pandemic situations also, we are steadily moving towards our plan properly.
Thank you, Mr. Datab Rashad. We want to talk now motivation message for all young people here, any businessman and businesswoman inside UAE. What's the motivation message for him?
The thing is, the first motivational message I will give is, there is no any inferior or superior work. All works are the same, right from cleaning to rocket launching. All the jobs are the same. So don't consider that one job is less important or having a lesser cadre and another is higher cadre. So treat your work as a worship and do the job. Second thing is, you don't work for somebody else's satisfaction. Don't work for your boss's or owner's satisfaction. You work for your own satisfaction. And third message, my MD always tells me that work, you love the work, the money will automatically come to you. These are the messages for me.
Thank you for this message. Now we are inside UAE. We have support we take from the government inside UAE. What's the word from heart to all leader and sheikh inside UAE?
We are really fortunate to be here in UAE because we have got our bread, butter and pride I have got my standard of living. For that all, I have to thank His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, and also I have to thank His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan for his wisdom as well as his long sight. It is a foresight. Secondly, I have when for any new entrepreneur for new business for starting, it is only ideal place to start the business. There is in entire world there is no any other place which can be like UAE to start his own business. Here it is very easy. It is very friendly. The officers in the government officers are friendly. It is simple and very user friendly systems are provided here. Besides that, it is very safe atmosphere. Even the laws are same. It is there for non-Emirati as well as Emirati. There is no difference between nationality, caste, creed, color, no difference. Every law is same for all. All these things, when we consider, it is the only place in the world to stay. It's a good place, and it is very, very safe for ladies, that I can say. So I thank from my bottom of heart to provide us such a nice atmosphere and fantastic place to live in. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, Mr. Datab Rashad. We are so happy to meet you today. You are so great example for any businessman inside UAE. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you all viewers. We will see you next week with a new successful story inside UAE.
الإمارات التي تصلح جيلا بعد جيل